Well, it's been a good week. This article is titled Button. I've had that shirt for at least 30 years, maybe 40. Pumpkin colored. You wouldn't expect it to go with anything else, but it turned out to be perfect with some new tan pants I bought. The shirt looked like chamois and was made in Vietnam. Still looking almost new. It is my favorite. The other day I lost a button, the bottom one. I knew there might be a similar one in my great-grandmother's sewing box, which had been passed down to me from the early 1900s. Yet I went looking for the lost button, maybe in the yard, or my car, under the bed, in the office. It could be anywhere. Nothing. On Wednesday night, my left house slipper was making a noise when I stepped, but I ignored it. On Thursday, the sound was still there, so I flipped the slipper over, and there was the button embedded in the soft bottom. The button was pretty beat up. Apparently, I had stepped on it many times and cracked it a little. I wondered if it was worth sewing back on, or would it just fall apart. I dug the shirt out of the laundry, and to my surprise, it wasn't the same as the other buttons. Had I used Mamo's box at some point in the past to replace the first one lost? This I could not remember. At this time in my life, I am studying through the beginnings of my third major career. I have prayed for God to lead me as the door on career 2 seems to be solidly shut. Lord, help me to find the open door through which you wish me to pass. Even when we don't know what he wants from us, we know he wants to give something good to us. My blessing was finding the different button, which seemed to be a symbol of the new direction. The old buttons were still there, but this one was more than just a way to affix my shirt halves. It was a message from God that in his good timing, he would let me have my buttons as I needed them, even if they looked different from what I was used to or expected. My thought is about a button. Yours may be a word, an image, or a sign. Faith is not just about what you do. Believing is also about being aware of how God may speak to you. Keep your eyes and ears open for his personal message, child of God.